See, tell you honestly, I have met more than 150, 200 investors in the last 45 days. I think whatever the feedback I got from them was positive, and we believe we'll build in a longer run a great brand where India will be proud of. People with vision will support me, and I'll be thankful to the investors who is supporting me.
Right. And over the, you said you've met so many people. What has the main feedback or even the concerns been when you've met them, sir?
See, concerns for people, Indian markets are growing slow. F&B market is, our coffee market is not all growing at single digit. These are the concerns. But all the international players also knows that India will be the best market for them other than US.
Right.
So they are very gung-ho board.
And I think there have also been these questions multiple times about the way the company is structured, the non-coffee businesses. But you said that investors should view this as a coffee play. How would you really justify that, sir? Does it make sense to
you? As I clearly told you, there is more than 4,000 crore non-coffee business in it. And next 5 years, I told every investor that we are not going to put any money other than expansion of the coffee business. We are convinced a lot of investors on that. I'm sure that next 5 years we'll build a great coffee business from this. Yeah.
And as the issue opens, what kind of response are you expecting? Very optimistic, nervous?
See, tell you honestly, I'm not nervous at all. In life, I'm always a born optimist. I think we'll get a good response.
Right. Just a couple of questions on the expansion plans.
Yeah.
135 stores every year.
Yeah.
It took you over 2 decades, to hit 1,500, but now I think it'll expand at a faster pace. But how will you ensure that you balance expansion with cannibalization? You ensure that that doesn't happen. What kind of strategy will you have?
See, tell you honestly, I told all of you the industry will be 5,000 stores in 5 to 7 years.
And how much will Coffee Day be out of that?
I don't want to talk about that because I'm not supposed to talk about it. If not, we are the market leader. We want to be market leader.
Right.
So when you are expecting the industry to be 5,000 stores from 2,000 stores, so there is enough scope for all of us. And we want to be leader, and we would like to maintain our leadership.
But don't you think, expanding again would come in the path of profitability? Because even now you have cited depreciation cost, which is coming in the way of profits.
No, see, that's the reason before we had put in almost 200 stores for every year for last 3 to 4 years. We are very sure that we'll put only 135 stores, so depreciation will be under control and the bottom line will improve substantially. That's what we believe in.
Right. So one big theme these days is the entire online market as far as the consumer internet is concerned. What role will Coffee Day play in this? Because now we are already seeing niche websites for tea, niche websites for coffee, niche websites for anything.
See,
considering your integrated back end forward, how will you take advantage of it?
See, you should understand, we come from Bangalore. And we have got good friends in technology. But only thing I can't predict, I can't give a forecast what we'll do it in technology. But we'll use the best technology to take our business to the next stage.
So are you hinting at an online foray anytime soon?
I don't want to talk anything about it, but I'm not supposed to talk today.
Okay. But in terms of
we'll use the best technology to take the company to the next level. That I can assure you.
Right. And final few questions really, sir. In terms of the India consumption story itself, a couple of years back there was a sense of pessimism in the market. Now how are you viewing it? Do you see discretionary spend going up? Because that would be an important factor in determining the business that you are in.
See, Chandra, I told you a long time back also. In '96, if you had asked me, I would have said India will take 15 stores, including my competition.
Right.
Today, I'm telling you, in the next 5 years, including my competition, will be 5,000 stores. Why should we be pessimist in life? You tell me that. If you are pessimist, we can't do anything.
Right.
India will give great opportunity. I feel next 30 years of India will be a great opportunity for all of us. We'll build a great India brand from here.
Will this be restricted to urban, semi-urban?
No, it can go anywhere, Chandra. I'll tell you honestly, if you look at the opportunity, sometimes you don't feel like sleeping. That's the kind of opportunity the India will give. It is not only coffee, that's the kind of opportunity India is giving to every entrepreneur.
Right. Internationally, what potential do you
see? We are the only brand which is owned by Indian company. And see here, all the food and coffee brands are owned by American companies or the European companies. I think we will also one day, it may be 10 or 15 years down the line, we'll make India proud and we'll start getting a franchisee income for Indian companies from abroad.
Right, right.
That's our
right,
dream.
Right. So in the few years that I've known you, you've been extremely reclusive, very difficult to really catch. But now you've taken this baby that you've preserved, for so long into the glare of the public eye. How is your own strategy going to change going forward? Are we going to see a different Siddhartha going forward?
No. I think this company is completely managed by professionals. It will be managed by professionals. I'm only a support for them from the back. All the strategy and all I'll work on. Day-to-day management, we got a great team to manage, and I'm really proud of my team.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.